Hi, so today I got my anti-tobacco commercial here, a little pack of cigarettes, and we're going to have them face some airsoft gun. First airsoft gun I'm going to shoot at it is a Double Eagle M53A shotgun, I believe. Not quite sure, and if I'm wrong, correct me, but you won't see it, so you don't know. And the other one is my MP5 Echo 1 Task Force Black with rails. And let's start off the shooting. Here's the first one. Sexy gun there. I'll be shooting it. Alright, as you can see, I suck with shotguns. Second gun here is Echo 1 Black Task Force shiny gun. And I'm a little bit better with this one. By the way, if you're wondering on what the other one shoots, it shoots about 260. That's why it's not doing much penetration. No jokes there. Alright, start off the single shot. And go for it. As you can see, I do believe Airsoft has won this battle. So remember, live above the influence and play Airsoft.